Feeling frustrated after your home didn't sell? You're not alone. When your home doesn't sell, it's natural to feel disappointed. You had expectations, maybe even big plans, and now you're left wondering, why didn't it sell? The three key factors of a successful sale: price, presentation, marketing. Mas easy. First, let's talk about price. The right price makes all the difference in today's market. If your home was overpriced, buyers might have skipped over it. A proper market analysis is key, one that compares your home to similar properties sold recently. This helps you price it right. Next, there's presentation. A clean, decluttered, and well-staged home attracts more buyers. Curb appeal is critical. Buyers form an impression of your home before they even step inside. Inside, cleanliness and staging help them imagine themselves living there. Lastly, there's marketing. In today's world, over 80% of home buyers start their search online. Stunning photos, virtual tours, and powerful listing descriptions are no longer optional. They're essential. Your home needs to stand out from the crowd. Don't let your home sit unsold again. Let's fix what went wrong and get it sold. Whether it was the price, presentation, or marketing, these three factors working together can lead to success. If you're ready to turn your frustration into a sale, give me a call and let's get started.